The most beautiful children's rooms for boys. Creating the perfect space for your little one, ideas for boys' bedrooms. The bedroom is a special place for children, and it should be designed to be a fun and comfortable space for them to explore and grow. In this video, we will explore some of the most beautiful children's rooms for boys, and discuss how to create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What are some of the most popular design elements for boys' bedrooms? Some of the most popular design elements for boys' bedrooms include bold colors such as blues, greens, and reds. Sports-themed decor such as posters, bedding, and wall art. Fun wall decals and stickers. Shelving and storage solutions. Fun lighting fixtures such as lamps and string lights. Fun rugs and carpets. Comfortable seating such as bean bags and gaming chairs. Fun accessories such as pillows, throws, and stuffed animals. What type of furniture is best suited for a boy's bedroom? The best type of furniture for a boy's bedroom depends on the age of the boy and his personal preferences. Generally, a bed, dresser, desk, and chair are the basic pieces of furniture for a boy's bedroom. Additional pieces such as a bookshelf, nightstand, or toy chest may also be included. What colors are typically used in boys' bedrooms? Common colors used in boys' bedrooms include navy blue, gray, green, red, orange, and brown. Other popular colors include yellow, white, and black. What types of storage solutions are available for boys' bedrooms? There are many storage solutions available for boys' bedrooms, including bookcases, storage bins, toy boxes, underbed storage containers, closet organizers, wall shelves, hanging organizers, cubby shelves, baskets, chests of drawers, nightstands, loft beds with build in storage. What are some of the most creative ideas for decorating a boy's bedroom? Create a sports-themed bedroom with a wall mural of a favorite team or player. Hang a colorful hammock chair in the corner of the room for a cozy reading spot. Install a loft bed with a slide for a fun and functional way to get in and out of bed. Incorporate a chalkboard wall for a creative outlet. Create a Lego wall for a fun and interactive way to decorate. Hang a custom-made map of a favorite place or city. Install a rock climbing wall for a fun and challenging activity. Hang a large movie screen to watch movies or play video games. Create a space-themed bedroom with glow-in-the-dark stars and planets. Install a mini golf course for a fun and unique way to play. In conclusion, creating a beautiful and functional children's room for boys can be a fun and rewarding experience. With careful planning and thoughtful design, you can create a space that is both comfortable and enjoyable for your child. By considering your child's individual needs and preferences, you can create a room that is both aesthetically pleasing and practical.